Hi, this is Marsha. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. And today I'm going to just do a quick little run through on what I'm doing with my quilt block with the mason jar. This was the free mason jar pattern that I'm giving you, and you can go to yesterday's video, watch it, and then you'll get the free pattern. It'll be in the description, and it comes with this heart, applique pattern, and then two cute little flowers. So now I just want to go have a real quick recap of the stitches that I've already been working on today. So this is your feather stitch. Alright, I'm just going to come in so that you can see. So this is a feather stitch. This is your lazy daisy stitch. The big basting running stitch. This is a back stitch. Another stem stitch is here. French knots. Okay, this is a chain stitch. More French knots. This is your running stitch here. More French knots. This is a back stitch. This is your outline stitch. So this is just an applique stitch, tacking this heart right here in place. So I'm outlining this brick pattern that you're seeing here. So all this is being outlined. And I'll come around the boot with that same applique stitch. And then I'll tack this down here, all this as well. So here's my needle. I'm working on this, bringing this all in here. And then all underneath of here, come in as close as I can so that you can see the French knots. So they're in pink, and then in this beige. So they're all underneath here. Of course I can feel them. There's one right there. So, but they're tucking. There's one here. So they're just peeking out. Okay. So, and then the word over, so it's faith over fear underneath of this. So over, I outlined it with stitches. Okay, so I just wanted to go through this and show you what I'm working on, and I use the wood embroidery hoop, and I use a basic embroidery needle. I use the floss. So here's my tray of all the floss. Okay, and then this is my butterfly free pattern that is also, if you sign up for my mailing list, you get this. And the mason jar pattern, you have to sign up for my mailing list to get that as well. And then here's some other quilt blocks that I'll show you at a future video and what I'm working on and how easy that was to make that. And then I have the rickrack going down the center here, and then the yo-yos. So this has the running stitch, the basting stitch. These I just have the pins holding them into place. So I will continue working on this, but I just wanted to share all of these cute little stitches with you. And if you're new to my channel, then I invite you to subscribe so that you'll be able to continue to get some nice video tutorials from me. And then once I reach 200 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, and we'll give 2 people a $10 credit that can be used in either one of my Etsy shops. Now over here, what I will do once I get to this side of the block, all of this square is going to be in cross stitching. Okay, so I'll probably skip a row. I don't know if I'll do every row. And then of course the binding will go on here. So binding will come down probably to cover these basting stitches. So I'll probably start my cross stitching somewhere here. So that's where over here, why I kept my design down low, is because once I put the border, the backing, and then the binding, then it'll cover all that up. So I don't want that to be covered up. And then all of this will be filled in with satin stitches. And I will be using the exact thread colors to match here. So all of the beige, this will be with a lazy daisy stitch, a bind stitch, the satin stitch. So it's going to be really, really pretty. So basically I'm just filling it in and outlining. And over here I just anchored a lot of it down already with all of the random variety of stitches that I just went over with you. And so I will, at a future video, do some of this stitching with you, but I just wanted to show you right now what I'm working on and how it's turning out. Okay, so I hope this is giving you some inspiration, And this is also known as slow stitching in UK and other countries, but here in the United States it's just hand stitching and embroidery, okay? And a quilt block. So just very easy, and I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use this for. Thought I would make just a wall hanging, but I really like to make useful things, not just decorative things. And I have so much going on in my craft room right now on the walls so I'm thinking this will be a cover for a fabric journal. So stay tuned for that. All right, so thank you so much for being here with me today. And remember to stay in the sunshine and have faith. Things will get better. All right, love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.